everybody. Today I want to show you how to fix the Symantec Endpoint Protection error that you may have gotten with your latest Windows update. Here's an example what it will look like. If you open up the actual program, it will tell you that your program is protected and that there are no problems, but yet your system tray icon states differently. It'll tell you there are multiple problems. And this only happened after the latest Windows update. Even if you run the live update within the program, it still won't fix this. And I'm showing you here that I'm updating now with the appropriate update for my operating system. I'll put a list that will show you the updates which are appropriate for you. It's downloading and installing, and at the very end it will tell you to restart your computer. Once you restart, you'll see that the error is now gone. Okay, that's all there is to it. Pretty quick and simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.